Hello students, I am your biology lecturer. We already completed 4 chapters. In the last class, we finished the genetics. Okay. Today we will start the new lesson, that is molecular basis of inheritance. Molecular basis of inheritance. Okay. I forgot one thing. We already finished about the genetics lesson. If you have any doubts or comments or compliment, you can easily ask in the comment box in YouTube, or otherwise you can send your question to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Don't skip the classes, watch regularly. I hope all of you watching the videos regularly. Today we will start the new one, molecular basis of inheritance. Here you just understand the title meaning. Molecular basis, molecules which very necessary for the inheritance. Molecular basis of inheritance. Molecule based on the molecule, how the inheritance is possible. Okay. The molecules which are very necessary for the inheritance. In that, we have to discuss about nucleic acid. Nucleic acid. Nucleic acid includes, nucleic acid is sense DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids are the organic compounds which are present in nucleus. They have the acidic nature. Okay, DNA and RNA are the nucleic acids. DNA long form deoxyribose nucleic acid. RNA means ribose nucleic acid. Okay. After nucleic acid, we have to discuss about RNA has a genetic material topic. How or why DNA is the actual genetic material. Why not the RNA? DNA is act as a genetic material. On the basis of what we can say DNA is one and only a genetic material. There are so many research on this topic. That research we have to discuss in this topic. Okay, next, replication of DNA we have to study. Replication of DNA. Replication is nothing but the duplication of DNA. Okay, ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. There is a multiplication or the cell division. During that process, replication, DNA have to be double. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ DNA is must and should. That's why the replication of DNA, duplication of DNA is very necessary. Then we have to discuss about transcription. Okay, I will explain about the transcription. Just remember this topic name. Then genetic code. Just remember the topics names. I will explain later words. then translation, okay, then a regulation of gene, then Human Genome Project, then finally DNA fingerprinting. These are the topics, very important topics you have to discuss, we have to learn in this chapter. Okay, let us start with the first one, nucleic acid. In that nucleic acid we have to discuss about DNA first. Okay, first understand what is DNA and RNA. I told that DNA and RNA are the nucleic acids. These are present in the nucleus and acidic in nature, that is why these are called as nucleic acids. Here the DNA act as a genetic material. DNA always act as a genetic material. DNA acts as genetic material, or we can say it is a heredity material. Okay. DNA have the genes are the heredity units. Okay. DNA coiled around itself to form chromosome during cell division, particularly in the metaphase stage, which we discussed in the genetics topic. DNA act as a genetic material, it is also known as a heredity material. DNA have the genes. Genes andre enu? A small segment of the DNA. ಈಗ DNA ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಹೆಲಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. DNA ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಜೀನ್. ಜೀನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ನೆಸಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಫಿನೋಟೈಪ್. ಫಿನೋಟೈಪಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ನೆಸಸರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳೀನಿ, ಜೀನ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಹೆರಿಡಿಟಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಹೆರಿಡಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಜನ್ರೇಷನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗು. ಅದೇ ಥರ DNA coiled around itself to form a chromosome. ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೆಟಾಫೇಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೆಸಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ you all know that in organisms, in organism cell have the, here I will draw, each and every cell have the centrally located or peripherally located nucleus. Inside that nucleus genetic material or DNA is present. That genetic material is nothing but the DNA plus protein. Okay, that DNA later converts into RNA, then RNA again converts into protein. Understand the basic concept. The genetic material which is present in the cell is the DNA, which forms the RNA, RNA forms the protein. Okay, means proteins are very necessary for expression of gene or phenotype. Genes are very necessary for expression of character or the phenotype. They are expressed in the form of protein. Okay, then these proteins are very site specific. Site specific, quantity is accurate. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ RNA is formed by the DNA, protein is formed by the RNA. This is very important sequence which happens during the expression of genes. Okay, in every cell the DNA is forms the RNA, RNA forms the protein. This is very important concept. This is known as a central dogma of molecular biology. Central dogma of molecular biology. Okay, the process of conversion of RNA by DNA. RNA na DNA ಇಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? That is the transcription. Transcription process. Okay, then like that the process of formation of protein by the RNA. The process of formation of protein by RNA is known as translation. Transcription is very simple. The formation of RNA by DNA. Translation is formation of protein by the RNA. Okay, translation is always depends on the transcription. After the transcription only translation is possible. Next, we have to discuss about DNA structure. DNA structure. DNA is known as the, you already know that DNA is a deoxyribose nucleic acid. It is known as a hereditary material. Okay, DNA made by polynucleotide. Okay, it is a polymer of nucleotide. We can say DNA is made by the polynucleotide, or we can say DNA is a polymer of nucleotide. Okay, let us discuss about what is polymer and what is nucleotide. Okay, the poly means many. Poly means many. Many nucleotides are present in the DNA. Andra many nucleotides. Okay, each nucleotide, one the nucleotide ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ the monomer. Okay, the monomer of DNA is nucleotide. Many nucleotides binds to form polynucleotide chain, that is the DNA. DNA is nothing but the polynucleotide chain. Okay, let us discuss about that polynucleotide chain. Okay, in that we have to focus on the nucleotide. Okay, before going to start that, nucleotide is a component or the monomer of DNA. DNA have the many polynucleotides. Okay, DNA is actually made by three important components, or you can say compounds. Okay, first one, nitrogen base pair. Okay, DNA is made by the three important components. Andra DNA is a polynucleotide chain. Nucleotide ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ, what are the things which are present in nucleotide or the DNA. Okay, the DNA which is have the three important components or which is made by three important components. ಅವು ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್. Have the carbon and nitrogen. Carbon ಮತ್ತು nitrogen ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, second component which is present in the DNA is pentose sugar. Sugar means carbohydrate. Pentose is a monosaccharide. It have 5 carbon compound. Pentose sugar is a penta means 5 carbon atom compound irutte pentose sugar. Okay, then deoxyribose is a pentose sugar present in DNA. Particularly, the deoxyribose is the pentose sugar which is present inside the DNA. First, nitrogen base pairs yavandra organic compounds which are made by the carbon and nitrogen. Next component yavadu pentose sugar. Pentose sugar are known as a carbohydrates or monosaccharides. They are made by the 5 carbon atom compound. Then the particularly deoxyribose is the pentose sugar present in the DNA. Okay, then here I will write the note. Note ಒಳಗಡೆ RNA have ribose is a pentose sugar. RNA pentose sugar. Okay, RNA ಒಳಗಡೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೈಬೋಸ್ pentose sugar ಇರ್ತದ. RNA ಲಾಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದೇ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ, DNA ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿರೈಬೋಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, then the third component which is present in the DNA, that is phosphate group. Okay, that is the H3PO4. H3PO4 is a phosphoric acid which is present inside the DNA. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ P double bond O POH POH POH. This is a phosphoric acid which is present in the DNA. Okay, now we can discuss what is nucleotide. Before going to start, we can discuss about one of the first component that is nitrogen base pair. I already told that nitrogen base pairs are the organic compounds which have the carbon and nitrogens. Okay, here nitrogen base pairs are two types. Those are purines and pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines. Purines are heterocyclic ring. Purines have, here I will write have, purines have heterocyclic ring or double ring structure. Double ring structure ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ heterocyclic, different types of cycle is present, different cyclic ring structure. Pyrimidines have monocyclic structure or ring. Okay, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದ್ರೆ ಹೆಟ್ರೋಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗೋನಲ್ ರಿಂಗು ಒಂದು ಪೆಂಟಾಗೋನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಒಂದು ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗೋನಲ್ಲು ಒಂದು ಪೆಂಟಾಗೋನ್. ಪಿರಮಿಡಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗೋನಲ್ ರಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಳ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣದದ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದ. ಪಿರಮಿಡಿನ್ಸ್ it have the long names but short structure. Then again purines anta ಹೇಳ್ದನ್. Purine are two purines ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆರಡು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ adenine and guanine. ಎಡಿನೈನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ವೈನನನ್ನು ಜಿ ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ DNA. ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ಯೂರಿನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಡಿನೈನು ಗ್ವೈನಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪಿರಮಿಡಿನ್ಸ್. ಪಿರಮಿಡಿನ್ ಆರ್ 3 cytosine represents by C, thymine represented by T, then uracil. Actually uracil, here I will write only present in RNA. This is very important note. Only present in RNA. Uracil is the base pair, nitrogen base pair which is present only in the RNA. Okay, next pairing of nitrogen. Next point, pairing of nitrogen. Once again we can recall, we are studying about the DNA. DNA is a hereditary material. It is made by the polynucleotide. Okay, polymer ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ many monomers are present. monomer ಯಾವುದು DNA ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is the nucleotide. Nucleotide have the 3 components. Those are the nitrogen base pair, pentose sugar and phosphate group. Okay, nitrogen base pair ಒಳಗಡೆ they again have the 2 types, purines and pyrimidines. Purines have the heterocyclic ring or double ring structure. Pyrimidines have the monocyclic ring or monocyclic ring. Okay, the purines which are present in the DNA are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are the cytosine, thymine and uracil, but uracil is present only in the RNA. It is completely absent in the DNA. Okay, now we are discussing nitrogen base pairs which are present in the DNA. They are pairing with each other. Nitrogen base pairs in present irtavalla DNA ಒಳಗಡೆ, they always pair with each other. The pairing is usually like this: purines pair with pyrimidine is vice versa. Pyrimidines pair with the purine, purine pairs with the pyrimidine, vice versa. Okay. Purine always pair with the pyrimidine, pyrimidine always pair with the purine. That is adenine, that is adenine, here I will write, okay, adenine always pair with thymine, that is tree. This represents that pairing, is by two hydrogen bonds. In between illen torsinalla ನಾವು equal to mark, that is not a equal to mark, that is the bonding of adenine and thymine with the two hydrogen bonds. You can write like this: A bonds with T with the two hydrogen bonds, like that. Guanine, that is G, is always pair with cytosine, that is C. Okay, that pairing, okay, here this pairing is by 3 hydrogen bond. In between guanine and cytosine, always 3 hydrogen bonds must be present. Okay. 3 hydrogen bonds are between guanine and cytosine. These are the nitrogen base pairs which are present in DNA. First we discuss about nitrogen base pairs. What are the nitrogen base pairs types? Purines and pyrimidines. Purines ಒಳಗಡೆ adenine, guanine, pyrimidine, cytosine and thymine. Let us discuss about structure. Now we can discuss about second component, that is the pentose sugar. Pentose sugar. I told that it is a 5 carbon atom compound. Okay. The structure of the pentose sugar is actually like this. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom, fourth carbon atom and fifth carbon atom. Okay, pentose sugar is one of the monosaccharide, it have the 5 carbon atom compounds. Okay, then the first carbon atom have the OH group and H and H, OH and H. These are the attachment of the pentose sugar. Okay, here in DNA, deoxyribose is present. In RNA, ribose is present. This is the structure of deoxy. Okay. Here, this is the structure of ribose sugar. The difference between ribose sugar is with the second carbon atom only. Okay. This is the ribose sugar. Okay. You can see in the second carbon atom, 1 prime, second prime, okay, 2 prime, totally 5 carbon atoms are there. Okay. In the second carbon atom of the ribose sugar, you can see OH group is present. OH group is present in the second carbon atom of the ribose sugar instead of it It's not actually, instead, in case of ribose sugar, OH group is present, it is deoxidized. Okay, oxygen group is removed to form a deoxyribose. In second carbon atom of the deoxyribose, you can't see any OH. Okay, here in the second carbon atom or 2' carbon atom is the ribose sugar have OH group, but in deoxyribose it is absent. You can say the prime 1' and 2' ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 prime numbers ಬರ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, those nothing but the indication of, they are the indication of carbon atom number. Okay, totally today we discuss about structure of DNA, that is the nucleotide. We started the nucleotide. In the nucleotide there are 3 components are present: nitrogen base pairs, pentose sugar and the phosphate group. In the nitrogen base pairs we studied 2 types, purines and pyrimidines. Purines are the adenine and guanine, pyrimidines are the cytosine and thymine. The uracil is also pyrimidine, which is present only in the RNA, it is not present in the DNA. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about detailed structure of polynucleotide or nucleotide, how the nucleotide is formed by the combination of pentose sugar and the nitrogen base pair with the phosphate group. Overall structure of nucleotide we will discuss in the next class.